Hey guys, my name is Rose, and this is to be an update for the Blast into Project Pan collab with the Fantastic Ladies. So yeah, I'll just get into the products. So I'll start with the eyeshadows like I usually do. I usually start with the eyeshadows, right? I don't know. I haven't filmed like in a long time, so like sorry if I'm a little bit talky, but so I'll start with the eyeshadows. For Mercury, Mars, Venus, and what's the other Kylie one? Uranus is all in this Take Me on Vacation palette from Kylie Cosmetics. I almost like Kylie Jenner, but that's what. Okay, so it's this shade, this shade, this shade, and this shade, which it basically probably looks the same because I probably only used it twice. I'm wearing all of these shades plus the one other shade in the other palette on my eyes today. So yeah, but I really think that because I'm gonna be ending my that palette in like a week, so I'm gonna really focus in on these, and then I really think I can hit pan on this one. The yellow one doesn't seem as firm as these two. I'm not sure if I could hit pan, but I'm gonna really try to hit pan on like these two, but like over this next like month. These two I want to try to get some progress. I'll probably get more progress on the gray because I've just been gravitating towards more like silvers and grays and greens and blues. I just don't really gravitate towards warm colors a heap ton, so this color just gets neglected a lot. It's just the tendency of browny reds, reddy browns kind of colors. I just won't really use them. Don't really use them that much. So yeah, so hopefully I can start making progress on those. So that's that. And then for my other eyeshadow, which one is it? Which one? For Saturn, which is this is B palette by bubsbeauty with BH Cosmetics. I'm working on Hopeful. Yeah, I'm working on a Hopeful. I have this all over my lid and in my inner corners. This shade is super pretty. I usually use them with my finger though, so I really want to try to hit pan on this before the project ends too, although that will be kind of hard since I am using my finger. It's kind of one of those like super sparkly kind of crumbly shades, so that's why I think my finger works the best with this because it kind of smooths everything out. But I love this shade so much. It's so pretty. So maybe hopefully I can get pan on that. Probably not because there's like one more update and then the finale. So hopefully I can get really good because I've been wearing makeup so much. Like I've been wearing makeup probably 5 out of like 7 days out of the week lately. So like instead of my usual like 3 or 4, so like I've been wearing makeup so much lately, so it's like I'm actually starting to like use a lot of products. So yeah, so those are those, and none of those have tallies, right? Yeah. Okay, and then for Earth I have the lorac Pirates of the Caribbean gloss in Ahoy Matey. I'm just working on the gloss side. This is starting to get really hard to get the product out. I don't want to take the stopper out because once you take the stopper out of glosses, it gets super messy. So I want to wait till like last minute. I can like still get product out. Like I usually scrape it like 2 or 3 times and then like I have enough for like to put on my lips. But I have it over a lipstick today. But yeah, it's starting to get pretty empty. So I'm pretty sure I can finish this off too by the end of it. But yeah, I have used this 10 times, so I'm keeping up with like trying to use it 10 times each time. So yeah, so hopefully I can get this used up. I probably have to use it a little bit more than 10 times in the next two updates so that I could like finish it. But I'm hoping that by the next update I will have the stopper out and then I can like finish off then. So yeah, that's that thing. And then next for what color? Neptune, I have the Color Workshop eye pencil. I have this in my waterline. This is a navy. And I've used it 4 times this month, which is not that much. I haven't been wanting to reach for this a lot. I love the color, but almost every time I use it, it crumbles. Like, it's just very crumbly, and it's making it really hard for me to want to use it. I mean, I think I can still use it, because I wanted to use it, 30 times, I think I said. So, 5, I have 18 so far in total, so I only need to use it 12 more times in 2 more months. So I think I can do that pretty easily. So I'm just going to try to do that. And I think after this project ends, I might just throw this out because of it being so crumbly, even though I like the color of it. But yeah, so is that. And then last product, right? This is the last. No, I have one more product. For Jupiter, I have the St. Ives apricot scrub. I almost forgot about this. It's like starting to get airy. I don't know if I will finish it next update. Because I'm using this almost every single time. Because I use right now I'm using this oil to try to take my makeup off, and it leaves a very oily like residue if I use any other face cleanser but this one. So this one is actually taking the like oily residue off. So every time I wear makeup and I remove it with that oily stuff that I'm using, I use this. I just use like a pea-sized amount, really thin it out with some water, and then use it to like get that oily residue off, and it works really good with that. So I don't know if I'll get it empty next update, because these little guys, even though they're small, they take a while. So yeah, so this should be definitely done by the end too, though. So yeah, that's good. So now the last product, which is for Pluto, and this is the lorac Mercier tinted moisturizer, and I've used it 1 time, which is today. Which is the time I'm using it today, which I've just not been really using this. I probably will focus more on this in the last 2 months. I mean, if you look at it, it's like not that much product left. So I think there's probably maybe 10 more uses in this or something. So I'll probably try to do 5 next month. Like, I'll probably try to do at least 5 next month, and then just finish it off the month after that. So, yeah. That's that. It's just a little sample, so it's, like, small. This is taking me much longer, but I'm also, like, not using it that much, because, like, I've used it, 3 times the first month, and then 2, and then 2, and now 1. So, like, yeah, I'm just not using this. But, yeah, this is on my face today, which I've probably already said that, but yeah. So I'm hoping to get this finished off by the end too. So I don't know if there will be any empty things next month. And even if I did have like empty next month, I don't think I would roll anything in, because there's only 1 more month left. So the last 2 months, I just really want to try to focus in on the products I have and try to finish as much as I can of all the products in this project. So yeah, that's that. Hopefully you guys liked this video. Hopefully I wasn't too rambly. And what am I gonna say? Thank you guys so much for